Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Uh, as you can see on my YouTube channel right now, I am at 503 subs. So that means I am going to have a 500 sub giveaway. Um, there's going to be some things in this giveaway that were given to me by a good friend of mine, Budget Outdoors and Survival. I'll be unboxing it here in just a second. I will also be giving away a flint and steel that I'll be hand making with some fat wood that I've been getting from the Black Hills. And yeah, if you guys are interested in that giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment down at the bottom of this video saying that you're in. And if you guys would like to have a second drawing in my giveaway, go ahead and do a VR for my video. I never thought I was going to be at 500. I was at 20, I think, for so long. I've had my YouTube channel since 2012. I've just been on and off, but for like the past year, I've been consistently adding videos, and it's gotten to be where I am today, and I'm happy. I'm very happy where I am today. And honestly, if I don't make it to 1K, I really don't care, as long as I'm making you guys happy and teaching you guys something new, as well as helping me learn in the process. It's awesome. So I appreciate the support and the awesome community that we've built. It's very cool. So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing here. Alright guys, so I'm just using my simple pocket knife here. And dig in here. Alright. Very cool. First thing right out of the box, the Budget Outdoors and Survival t-shirt. Very cool. Very cool. I love the colors in it. I love black, definitely. The design is very cool. Heck yeah. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. It's a large. That looks like it'll fit me. Yeah? Yeah! Alright, let's see what else is in the box. As you can see here, Budget. The shirt fits me perfectly. And I love it. I love black. It looks great. The design and the color. It's awesome. So probably you're gonna see me wearing this in a lot of my future videos, I'm sure of it. Kind of want to hang it up on my wall. Kind of anything that you guys are gonna send me, I'm gonna like hang it up or something. It's like a trophy almost, in a sense. Let's go ahead and dig right into this box here. We've got, ooh, nice axe. Let's see how the blade is. Ooh, that is a nice blade. I like it. Ooh. I think I'm gonna make this probably my new backpacking axe. In one of the emails Budget sent me, he said I'm allowed to go ahead and just keep whatever I want out of the box, whatever's left over when put in the giveaway. So I think by the end of this unboxing, I'll figure out what exactly I guess I want to pull out of it. But I think this is going to be one of the items I'm going to pull, just because I'm in need of a new hatchet. And this one is way lighter than the one I've got. So this is going to fit in my backpack a lot better and make hauling my backpack on the trail a lot easier. So thank you, Budget. I appreciate it. It's almost like you were reading my mind. Alright guys, so up next in the box, we've got a fire strip roll. I don't know exactly how much is in this roll, but as you can see here, there's quite a bit of it. It's kind of got a waxy feel to it. Definitely. Get this all rolled up, kind of pulled too much of it out. Oops. I'm getting her. Alright, so I'm just going to take a little strip here. Is there a lighter over there? Somewheres? I'll just light this little strip up for you guys and show you. I don't think that one's gonna work. Okay, so for lighting this, as you can see here, it takes a flame very quickly. And it's got some sort of wax in it. But in Budget's email, he was saying that this could be lit over 200 times. I think honestly, if you rip it into smaller pieces, like, you know, like this maybe, and you happen to get it going, heck, you're saving fuel for your lighter, and this is enough to get something going if you're fast enough with it. So that's pretty nifty there, Budget. Never seen anything like this before. As I said, I don't know exactly how much is in this roll, but that is very cool. All right, up next here, this must have been the container that Budget was talking about in his email. Just figure this out here. This is kind of cool. Very nifty. Gotta figure out how to... Okay. So you fold them up here, and where the holes are, you put them over like this. Maybe? Yeah, there we go. Put this over like this. This one snaps on this side, and then with this, put it down on this side. That's pretty cool. It's like a little bucket, water bucket. It said this was able to hold water, so I'm kind of curious to see that. Let's go test this out right now. Just filled this up with water, and I don't know, I'm trying to, here. There we go. See, it's got water in there. And there's like no leak at all on the outside of this. So that's very cool. It's got a little handle. So, yeah, very cool. Some sort of container to put in your survival kit. Something you can fill, you know, to haul, or, you know, if you got, like, this be like a berry collector even. You know, anything. So, very cool container for a survival kit. Okay, so up next in the box here, we have a lanyard. It's got a whistle here on the side. It's got a ranger band here. There's a compass. And let's see here. Oh, it looks like it might have like a flint and steel inside. There's supposed to be a 14-piece survival kit inside of here, inside the twist. And I think there's actually a flint in here, because it looks like there should be a striker built in the back. But this is made by Frug Survival Gear. Frug, it's kind of spelled like frog, but with a U instead of an O. So, that is very cool, Budget. Very cool. I do like the color of this paracord. I've never seen a color like this before. Very, very nifty. Very cool. We've got here a survival rescue blanket. You can probably turn this into a shelter if you wanted to. These are very, very handy. You can turn it into a reflecting wall shelter, as I said. It could be a blanket. You can signal for help with it because it's very reflective. So yeah, this is something very, very useful to keeping yourself warm, signaling for help, anything like that. So very, very, very cool. Up next here, we've got some fire wipes. It says your first line of defense in decon. Remove, clean, and refresh. It's hypoallergenic, so it means it's alcohol-free, latex-free, MI-free, paraben-free, and SLS-free. That's very cool. So if you're allergic to any of those things when, you know, using wipes or, you know, something like that, you shouldn't have an allergic reaction with this. So it's very cool. And up next here, oh, this is kind of cool. It's an EDC belt sleeve. It's called a Rat's Tourniquet. And what it is, pictures on the back here. I don't know if you guys can see those pictures, probably not. But what it is you slip this on your belt, and you can put rope in here, like it stretches and fits around rope. You can put like a survival tin, you can put a multi-tool in here, just anything you'd like to keep close to your belt side that wouldn't normally, you know, fit in a holster or something like that. So that's very, very cool. For the last thing in the box here, I was seeing this and I kind of thought it was pretty funny. It's called a shit kit. It says don't get caught with your pants down. It's a field toilet kit. There's toilet paper in there, wet wipes, disposable bag, and hand sanitizer. That is very cool. There's been so many times where I've been out in the woods and I've had to take a poop and I didn't have any TP. So yeah, it's a pretty cool thing that someone actually out there is selling. Yeah, it's very cool. That's everything in the box. Out of this box, obviously I'm gonna keep the t-shirt. I love the t-shirt. You guys will be getting a t-shirt by Budget Outdoors and Survival as well for this giveaway. As I said, I'm going to keep this hatchet. But everything else here that you see, like the fire wipes, the emergency blanket / shelter / firewall / reflector, whatever you want to call it, the shit kit, the fire strip roll, the lanyard with the 14-piece survival kit inside, the container that folds down into a flat little portable device here, and the, what was this called again? The EDC belt sleeve. So all of these will be part of my giveaway. That and a handmade flint and steel, as I said at the beginning of this video, with a piece of fatwood from the Black Hills. So, or my area, I should say. Pretty much my area. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, go ahead and hit the like button. As I said, leave a comment down below if you are interested in being a part of this giveaway. Go ahead, or better, you can just leave a comment to leave a comment. Just say hi, what's up, how's it going? But if you guys want to be a part of this giveaway, let me know down below. Say I'm in, or I would like to be a part of this giveaway. And then I'm also gonna say too, if you want to do a VR for my giveaway, that will give you guys a second entry into the prizes. So if you guys are into this type of thing, outdoor survival, fishing, camping, hiking, anything outdoors, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We're at 500 right now. As I said, I am very excited and very happy about that. So thank you guys. Thank you to all of my community and my supporters. I appreciate it. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in the next video.